Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a follow-up video on Solana because there are things that I just want you guys to see, and if you like it, do what you want to do with it. We have done videos on this in the past, but I don't know if this chart I've shown it to you before, so I'm gonna just show you real quickly. This was the high, this was the lower high, and we're trying to see, are we gonna make a higher low for upward continuation? Okay. I do have an alert on my chart for ETH. If it pops on, guys, I'm gonna cut this video short. I'm in a pretty big trade and I want to follow up. So this is what I have from the chart that I redid, and I'm basically just showing you if anyone shorted, this is how they're going to take their trades. This is how I would approach my shorts. So if you took a short at 191, 161 was your first take profit, 106 was your second take profit. You're consolidating in between 161 and 106 until TP3 hits. I am not confident to take the long. Okay, you see, until TP3 hits, I am not confident in taking the long. No one wants to hear it. No one wants to see it. I know everyone's going to hate me and say I suck and kill myself, all that good stuff. I'm sorry. The technical analysis says we should be coming to around $39 for the absolute bottom, where this institution, whoever took these short, are going to close. So if you're jumping into Solana thinking it's going to save your life, if you want to buy it, why not save at least like 50% of your buying power for 40 bucks? And then if you have the urge to just jump on in, how about 25% around here at 107, 108? And then if you think you're missing the train, you can go on in right now, go ahead, but you can increase your size above 161 and then all be ready to take some profit or like protect yourself above 200, going that, hey, above 200, people might short again. More than likely, though, if you come reach that level again and not breaking TP2, okay, the way we did, it's going to be a rounding bottom accumulation for continuation, and this bull flag was what was being tested with this wick right here. And if this thing does not break, then what they're going to do is hurt these shorts, because all the liquidity is still over here. All these people didn't get hurt. All we did was front run the breaking of these people around 250, 260. So that is what I would just point out to you, that there are great opportunities in Solana if you are a long-term viewed investor. You can look at it like this. All you're doing is consolidating in between these levels. If you get an opportunity to buy it at 106, sure, why not? But if you get above 161, that gives you more confidence that everyone who bought in this level will protect any dip underneath 161. Underneath 161, you're at the mercy of the consolidation of this like $55 range. I'm not doing math right. That's $60. Yeah, okay, $55 range. And in that 55 consolidational range, if you start stacking your position, you can have this 106 level as a, hey, we're going under 106, I better cut half my position and be patient to test this order block out. And if this order block gives me an opportunity to take a long, I will add what I just closed out in this order block, knowing that, hey, this is gonna be like the best opportunity for me to take a long near this 106. And then if we go underneath the 106, then I know that, hey, this 40 bucks is a possibility. The bottom of this channel is this point right here, guys. Sorry. When the confluence of these trend lines hit, there's sometimes a reaction. So this was a level to consider. And then if we're out, I mean, the big dogs, they know people are going to buy here, right? That's what just happened on ETH. They know people are going to buy here, and they're going to come all the way to the bottom of this and swing failure pattern this level if they want it to continue up. Even if it comes up from here, it's a dead cat bounce at 106 to go to 38. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't mean that if we bounce here, we're going to go above 106, 107, and then just shoot to the moon. We're going to consolidate here, and you're going to have to show a double bottom or some kind of accumulation or higher low, some kind of consolidational pattern to show you that yes, we are not selling off anymore, we are continuing up, and then the confirmation will come when you get above 107 with daily open and closes. Aside from that, you are at the mercy of a dead cat bounce and all the retail who are always buying the dip getting chopped kind of situation. And then if this happens like this, and then you come over here, you're gonna be like, oh my God, it's at $40, I don't even want to buy. And that's where everyone's supposed to be buying. No one's gonna want to buy it where they're supposed to buy it, you know, like over here. If you bought it at $250 and it went to $23, do you still have anything to add? So just keep that in mind for moving forward, man. Just be real. It's already happened before. Why can't it happen again? Why are you in the realm of impossibilities? Why can't we go lower? Okay, this network shuts itself down every time there's crazy shit. Has Bitcoin or Ethereum shut itself down? I mean, like, I understand we've had issues, but entirely shutting down the network, that's the whole point. We're trying to avoid centralization. So those are fundamental talks. I don't want to talk about that. The technical analysis, I gave it to you. If you guys have any questions or concerns, hit me up in the comment section below. Please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you would like to get these videos as they come out. And then please share these videos with other like-minded individuals. If you guys are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on my Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So guys, thank you guys so much. And yeah, have a great day, trade safe. ETH is doing crazy things, Bitcoin is doing crazy things. We got a I'm not gonna show you my drawings, I'm gonna just go to the chart. We had a very interesting drop, but the drop only came to support on Bitcoin was 55K. I'm still looking to come test back into the low 50s, so just keep that in mind, guys. Don't just jump to the moon. And ETH, oof, ETH is just, I'm like lit on ETH right now. ETH is doing stuff that the Bitcoin traders probably need to pay attention to. We tested our order block. We're doing this, what the heck, on the weekly. Next week, I might actually be looking for upside continuation before we're looking for further testing of this wick. But before I put my foot in my mouth, I'm waiting for this weekly candle close, okay? Not on New York. I want Sunday's closure to see how this candle closes. This is very interesting stuff. I don't know, I'm like a nerd, so this is just like real exciting to me. In my opinion, this order block that we got tested, which was where the bull run started, this was the lowest of the low. This was like the first real like push. We've done enough damage, in my opinion, but I know these wicks love the double test. Worst case, if we come to 2,300, I'm not gonna cry, but that's still on the cards. 23 to or 2150, just like a quick, as close as they can to this wick kind of situation. And whoever spent that kind of money on this wick does it again and basically cements the bottom at this level for ETH around 2,100. Before the bottom was like around 1,200, right? Yeah, like 1,200, whatever. Then we went to 15, so like maybe 500 more bucks up, like 2,000-ish, and then we can continue up. And aside from Bitcoin and ETH, this is getting demolished. The dollar is doing things, you know, and it's affecting all our other markets. So just keep an eye on Dixie. I never really was looking for Dixie to go under 103, but it did it, and we're still flirting with this 102.50 level on the weekly. I'm telling you, if it goes to 101 and 100, I'm ready. But there's got to be some big institution, central bank, someone with real money that's gonna buy. And I'm waiting to see if this plays out. So let's keep following up on this. When this does rise, what I want to see is, are we gonna rise with it? Because we're going down right now with Dixie when we used to have an inverse relationship. Have we finally put Bitcoin in enough people's portfolios where now it will rise with the other currency pairs? So that's something that is going to be very interesting to see in this new year coming up. And just keeping track of that. And that's basically all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a great day. Trade safe. Happy Friday. Don't go crazy for taking risks before the weekend, because I think this weekend is going to get wild. And Yeah, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below, and then hit me up in the Discord server if you need anything. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.